This is what your windows will look after end of this video. Clean, modern, absolutely stunning. Today I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Windows desktop into a fresh new setup, beautiful visuals, smooth customization and elegant design. So you are bored with default Windows look, this setup is going to change everything, so let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows 11 customization tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to give your Windows 11 a new look. First of all, we have to create a restore point. Click on search and search for create. Select create a restore point, select your C drive, click on create, give it a name, then click on create. It will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can restore your system using this restore point. Then we have to ready your system for use any custom theme. Right click on this X theme tool and extract these files. Then cut this folder. Go to C drive and paste it here. Then open this folder. Right click on this theme tool. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes. And OK. Then select these two boxes and click on install. So it will require reboot. After reboot, your system is ready for use any custom theme. Then go to this theme folder and copy these theme files. Go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, resources, themes, and paste it here. Now I'm going to apply the theme. Go to C drive and open X theme tool again. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, then click on yes. In here you have to select AIO theme, then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, theme has been applied. And now head over to this website and download this Windhawk. Click on download, so it will download Windhawk. After downloaded, you have to install it. After installation, you'll see interface like this. Click on browse for mods and search for resources redirect. Click on details, install it. Now I'm going to apply the icon pack. First, go to this folder and copy this icon pack. Go to this PC, C drive, and paste it here. Then right click on this icon pack and click on copy as path. Go to advanced, go to settings, paste it here and remove this quotation mark. Click on save. As you can see, some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, open Task Manager, search for Explorer, and right click on this Explorer, click on Restart. And to fix these folders, go to this folder again, right click on this disable folder thumbnails and run as administrator, click on yes. Now I'm going to install the dock. First you have to go to this folder, go to this dock folder and copy these icons. Go to C drive, paste it here. Then install Nexus dock. Click on OK. Next. And install it. Uncheck this box and click on finish. Then go to this folder again, open dock folder, copy this dock theme, go to documents, WinStep, Nexus, background and paste it here. Then double click this dock to run Nexus dock. Then right click on this Nexus icon. Click on advanced, click on restore. And select this dock backup file. Then click on theme. And select AIO dock theme. Click on apply. And OK. Now open Windhawk again and search for taskbar top. Click on details and install it. Okay, now I'm going to customize taskbar and start menu. First, I'm going to install taskbar styler. Click on details, install it. Open Windhawk Mods folder and copy this taskbar styler script. Open Windhawk, click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Then install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. Go to this folder and open taskbar height and icon size script and copy this entire script and replace it. Then click on save. You can adjust the taskbar height and icon size from here. Now I'm going to install the start menu styler. Click on details, install it, and again go to this folder and copy start menu styler. Click on advanced and replace it. Click on save. If you see anything error like this, just open Windhawk. Click on start menu styler, details, setting, and then click on this start menu layout and select legacy classic start menu and click on save. Now I'm going to apply some acrylic effect. To apply some acrylic effect, you can try this tool called Blur. First, unzip these files. Then cut this folder and paste it into C drive. Then go to this folder and open config file. First, show line make true to false. Then click on file and save. Then right click on this register button and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. And click on OK. So it will add blur effect. If you want to add some minimalist look, you can hide this home, gallery and OneDrive, and also Windows 11 Explorer styler. I'll show you how to do that. First, open Windhawk and click on Explorer and search for hide. Hide home, gallery and OneDrive. Click on details and install it. So it will hide it. Click on Explorer and search for Windows 11 Explorer styler. Click on details and install it. Click on settings And for the theme, you can try this theme called Minimal Explorer 11. Click on save. Okay, if you see error like this is appear because of Blarmica. You can uninstall Blarmica and try translucent windows. Okay, let me clear one thing. Windows 11 Explorer Stellar and Blarmica doesn't work properly together. So you can first uninstall Blarmica. Click on install and run as administrator. Then for the blur effect, you can try translucent windows. Click on details and install it. So it will also add blur effect. Okay, now as you can see, it doesn't work properly, so I'll show you how to fix it. First, open Windhawk, then click on translucent windows details, click on settings and turn off this. Then click on save. So it will fix the blur effect problem. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 and give it a perfect look. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.